In today's video, I wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup while working from home. This simple look focuses on healthy skin and accentuating your natural beauty. It's something I like to do to keep a regular morning routine while staying at home. Now let's get started. After my morning skincare routine and a little too much coffee, I start with my favorite Strobing Luminizer from Pony Effect to create the base for a beautiful dewy makeup. I love how this product makes my skin glow underneath my makeup. It's easy to blend out and isn't greasy to the touch like other luminizers, and it truly makes your skin look stunning. My favorite way of evening out my skin tone and applying a light coverage is by using a BB cream with a slight green undertone to diminish and cancel out the redness in my skin. This Missha BB cream has been a staple in my beauty routine not only because of the buildable coverage but also the skincare benefit it includes. When wearing this cream, my skin is still able to breathe and maintain moisture throughout the workday. Now taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer, I'm going to start covering underneath my eyes. When finding your perfect under eye concealer, try finding a shade that is lighter than your skin tone to brighten up the darkness underneath your eyes effectively while still giving yourself coverage. This Japanese drugstore translucent finishing powder from Canmake has been an essential of mine for years now when lightly mattifying my T-zone. The light purple tint of the powder brightens up my face without looking too cakey or flat, so I like to apply it gently across my T-zone. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Shiseido Integrate Gracy Eyebrow Pencil. This pencil is super soft and easy to control, so you're able to accentuate your eyebrows easily with no extra effort. Afterwards, I make sure to comb out my hairs with a spoolie brush. Before getting into the eyeshadow, I love using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to prime my eyes and get them ready for the eyeshadow. I've been experimenting with a lot of makeup from Kaja lately, and I love how a lot of the products can be used in several different ways. I'm taking this golden highlighter on my fingers and softly blending the products out all over my lids, and slowly dragging it along my lower lash line with a brush. Instead of taking up a lot of time with liquid eyeliner, I've recently opted for a dark matte brown shadow to slightly extend the length of my lash line and accentuate my eyes with an angled brush. If you've already given up on trying to master the liquid eyeliner or want a softer defined makeup look, definitely try out this method. After eyeshadow, I'm curling my lashes for mascara. Today, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush High Volume Mascara to give my lashes a lot of length and volume. I absolutely love using actually trial size mascaras because since you have to throw out mascaras every 3 months to keep them fresh, this is the best way to try out multiple different mascaras and find the one that's right for you. For the finishing touches of my makeup look, I'm applying the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek product in the color Werk to the apples of my cheeks and blending them out with my fingers. I've been recently obsessed with cream cheek products because of how blendable they are while giving you a realistic flush to your cheeks. To make sure my makeup stays in place, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Last but not least, I'm adding a moisturizing tinted lip balm to my lips from Canmake. This gives a beautiful flush to my lips, but it's super easy to maintain throughout the day. And that's it for my everyday makeup while working from home. Take time for yourself and find and set a morning routine that makes you feel positive and relaxed during this time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button.